Hey, what's up? BTM here. Ever been stranded on the side of the road, your car battery grasping its last breath, and your dreams of an epic journey fading faster than a phone without a charger? Well, fear not, for today we're throwing down in the ultimate Jumpstarter showdown. In one corner, we have the DEWALT Power Station, a beast of a machine, boasting 1600 peak amps and enough features to make MacGyver weep. In the other corner, we have the compact powerhouse, the DuraLast 800, packing a punch with 800 amps and doubling as a portable life preserver for your devices. Buckle up, folks, because we're about to crown the champion of jump-starting supremacy. Round one, the power punch. DEWALT throws the first haymaker with this monstrous 1600 peak amps. This bad boy can jumpstart trucks, SUVs, even those V8 monsters that guzzle gasoline like a water on a hot day. DuraLast counters with a respectable 800 amps, enough to get most 4 to 6 cylinder engines back to life. But for sheer raw jump-starting power, DEWALT emerges victorious. Round number 2, feature frenzy. DEWALT unleashes a full-on combo attack with a built-in air compressor, an AC inverter that can power your laptop or charge your phones 25 times over, USB ports for all of your gadgets, and even an LED work light to guide you through any roadside snafu. Now, the DuraLast keep it classic with the 2 amp USB port for your phone and a 12 volt DC outlet for a cooler or a tire inflator. It throws in also an LED work light too. But DEWALT's versatility and multitasking abilities takes this round. Round number 3, portability prowess. DEWALT, while a feature champion, is a bit on the bulky side, tipping the scales at 19 pounds. Think gym bag, not fanny pack. DuraLast, on the other hand, is a lightweight champ at a mere 8.9 pounds. Toss it in your trunk, shove it in your glove box. Point goes to DuraLast for convenience and travel friendliness. Round number 4, price point punches. DEWALT comes with a premium price tag of around $200, making it an investment in preparedness. DuraLast offers a budget-friendly option at around $80, proving that you don't have to break the bank to stay charged. And the verdict is, no clear winner here, folks. It's a split decision depending upon your needs. If you're a weekend warrior needing occasional roadside assistance, DuraLast compact size and affordability makes it a wise choice. But if you're an adventurer junkie craving serious power and versatility for camping, tailgating, or conquering the apocalypse, DEWALT's arsenal of features makes it the ultimate road companion. But hey, don't just take our word for it. Tell us in the comments below which Jumpstarter speaks to your inner road warrior, Team DEWALT or Team DuraLast. Let's settle this once and for all. Quick plug before you scroll down too fast. Want to dive deeper into these jump-starting beasts? Check out the full review up here. And hey, before you hit that X button, we got one more surprise for you. We're not done with Jumpstarters yet. Next time we'll be pitting portable power banks against wireless chargers in a battle for the ultimate on-the-go power. Who will reign supreme? Hit the subscribe button and buckle up because another tech showdown is coming your way.